Hi, welcome back, because hopefully you're subscribed. But today I'm going to be showing you how to do a frontal wig install. I'm walking you through all the steps, spilling all the tea, showing you all the products I use, so stay tuned. I'm going to start off by braiding the hair straight back but with the twist. There's going to be one braid going from ear to ear. So from the front it's going to look like all straight backs, but there's an anchor braid in the back that the clip in the wig will be able to hook into. Now that we're finished with the foundation, we're going to clean the hairline. We're going to do this with 70 or 91% alcohol. I did this backwards. I was supposed to moisturize first before cleaning the hairline, but it's okay because I can just clean the hairline again after applying the moisture. We love our edges over here. So I'm applying a protective shield on the hairline. It's by Robert Diamond, and then I'm combing all the stray hairs backward. This is where the fun begins. I'm going to apply a wig cap that is close to my client's complexion. And of course, I'm going to stitch it down to secure it. We need the cap to stay in place, and we need those tabs by the ears to be super secure. So I'm going to cut a hole in the cap and then pull the client's ear through so the cap can rest flush against her skin. When you see this yellow can, you already know what's up. You know the vibes. We're going to spray some Got2b glue on the hairline where we sprayed the protective shield, just to make it melt into her skin a little more and give it an extra layer of protection. Next, she's going to sit under the dryer for a few minutes. If you don't have a hooded dryer, feel free to use a handheld dryer or a bonnet dryer. It can get a little tricky right here. The cap can kind of do what it wants and roll onto itself depending on the way that you try to cut it. So you want to start off in the middle, make a slit in the middle of the cap, and then do one on either side. So you should make a total of 3 slits and remove the cap in sections just to make sure that your client's edges are not compromised. I'm being super cautious, but I'm cutting as close to her hairline as possible. I want to cut as much of that cap away as I possibly can without actually cutting her hair. Now that we've got our bald cap, I want to make sure that I match the lace to my client's skin. So I hot comb all the hair back and I choose the foundation that closely matches her skin tone. I'm just double checking that it's a good match, and it is. We are ready to go. I'm going to lock in that foundation with the Got2b Freeze Blast Spray, and then I'm going to clean her hairline one last time with 91% alcohol. I'm so impatient. Alcohol dries super fast, so I don't know what my issue was. I start applying the adhesive in dots and then I go back and smooth it out. This is what I use to smooth the adhesive out. This is the third layer of adhesive. While we're waiting for the glue to dry clear, we're going to cut the excess lace off of the frontal. I'm cutting in a zigzag, jagged type of motion. I'm going to gently position the lace over the glue. I'm not going to press in just yet. Houston, we have a problem. This wig is too small, so while I'm trying to put the lace into the adhesive, the other side starts lifting. So I removed the comb from that anchor braid in the back and I applied it as best I could. I had to reposition the lace and adjust a million times, but somehow, some way, we made it work. Removing the excess lace from around her ear. I'm smoothing the hair back with my hand and I'm cutting away any lace that is not glued down. I'm going in with 91% alcohol one more time to clean the hairline and get rid of any excess glue. I'm tying an elastic band around the hairline just to make sure that lace really melts into her skin. This should only take a few minutes, no more than 10. I can honestly say HD lace makes a huge difference. It's a lot thinner than regular lace and it is a lot less detectable. For the baby hairs, I'm going to separate a very thin section of hair. You want to make your baby hairs about an inch short. The setting foam I'm using today is new. This is actually my first time trying it out and I really liked it. It's supposed to be similar to Nairobi. You need to be really gentle when you're creating your baby hairs because the setting foam is going to cause the lace to lift. So you want to just kind of be gentle and swoop them into place gently. It may take you a few tries, that's okay, but definitely take your time and don't be too heavy-handed. The camera stopped recording, but after I finished sculpting the baby hairs, I tied my client's hairline down and sat her under the dryer. The camera stopped recording again, but here's the end result.